Hello student, here we discuss about very important board question. Punjab, Haryana, Delhi board, UP board, all board exams as well as a competitive exam they are giving in MCQ dehydration of alcohol in presence of acid. So or we can say alcohol to alkene conversion, Saint-Jepth rule or Hoffman product which is obtained over here. I am Veena Dixit. If you like my video, please share and subscribe my channel. All the best. God bless you. Write on this structure. This is 3,3 dimethyl butane to all. This is secondary alcohol. When react with this H positive, dehydration will take place. So we call it acidic dehydration. So what will happen? First protonation of alcohol will take place. H positive from acid will protonate the OH group. So since OH is having 2 lone pair of electrons, so it is protonated and will get protonated alcohol first, and then water will be lost. Dehydration takes place and we will get carbocation. So this is called dehydration. I have written several times, so you write yourself. Okay, dehydration takes place and we will get this 2 degree carbocation. Now here see, since 2 degree carbocation less stable as compared to 3 degree carbocation, so this methyl group is shifted to this carbon and positive charge shifted to this. So we will get 3 degree carbocation which is more stable, highly stable, and then this deprotonation will take place from the adjacent hydrogen. This is alpha hydrogen is removed. And why this is removed? Because it is giving highly substituted alkene, that is called Saint-Jepth product. So major product will be Saint-Jepth product and name of this product will be 2,3 dimethyl butane. Okay, this is the major product. So on heating and in presence of H positive, water will be lost. Okay, so dehydration takes place. Clear to you? Now we will see here that this is major product, means more than 80% we will get this alkene. So sometimes they are asking less substituted, which is minor product. At that time you should know that this is minor product. Okay, only one product is not obtained, 2 products are obtained. This is maximum and this is minimum. This time here what will happen? Less substituted alkene is obtained. Alpha hydrogen from this methyl group is removed and we will get a negligible amount of 3,3 dimethyl butane. This is called Hoffman product and it is minor product. Again I will repeat, in this case 1,2 dimethyl 1,2 methyl shift will be there. This methyl is shifted to here. This is called methyl shift. Rearrangement takes place. We will get 3 degree carbocation, more stable carbocation, 3 degree more stable. Okay, more stable carbocation takes place, which is on the deprotonation give you highly substituted alkene Saint-Jepth product. Thank you for watching. God bless you. All the best.